Hello my YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I customized and achieved this look for this wig. This was a wig that I did a few years back, so I did it over on the sewing machine, and I'm going to show you guys how I got the color and everything. So starting off, I'm using the Shimmer Lights shampoo because this wig is blonde and it has the yellow tone still in it. So I'm using the Shimmer Lights shampoo because it's a purple shampoo and it's going to balance it out and get rid of those yellow undertones. So as you can see, the wig looks so much better. And now I'm using a platinum gray color from Color Color, and I'm watercoloring it. I'm dipping it in the hot water with the color in it, and you can see that the color has changed. Now if I hadn't used the Shimmer Lights shampoo, this wig would most likely have like blue or purple undertones. So here I'm just blow drying the wig dry, and as you can see, the color looks beautiful. Now I'm just going to use our BU Passion heat protectant, and I'm just going to rub that on the wig. Then we're going to pull out our Beauty Gloss Polish wax stick, and we're just going to put that in the front area, and we're going to hot comb it. I know y'all see a major difference because I do. These colors are giving me icy gray frozen type of vibes. By the way, I'm using bundle lengths 18, 20, and 22. And I'm also using a 13x4 frontal, and it's an 18-inch. Now we're just gonna cut some layers. I free cut, you know, like I eyeball it, and I just cut it how I see fit. I guess you can say I'm cutting at more of a 45-degree angle rather than a 90 degrees, because if I was holding it at a 90-degree angle, I'd be holding it up more, but I'm cutting it, I'm layering it down, if you get what I mean. Now it's time for the curls. Like I said, I made this wig a couple of years ago. So it was previously colored. I used the colors red, orange, and pink as an ombre. So it was blonde at the top. It was the next color was red, and then the next color was orange, and then I put the pink at the very bottom. So that's why it looks like somewhat of a unicornish color, because I put the gray, the platinum gray on top. So that's how I achieved this color. So we're just gonna add these pin curls so that the curls won't fall as we're curling the hair. I'm using an Extava wand curl. I got it from Amazon. It comes in like 4 or 5 different sizes. You can use it to wand curl, or you can use it to do a roller set. It got a little messy here as I was curling because I was trying to curl too much hair. But knowing me, I knew how to finesse it, so I just did what was just. Now for the front top part, I'm curling in a downwards position, as you guys can see, because of how I want the hair to fall. You'll see when I'm finished. Now this is how you achieve a pin curl. You just take the end piece and curl it around your finger in a circle and then just clip it. It's real easy. For the bang, I'm curling it backwards because of how I want my bang to fall. And again, you'll see when I'm finished. All right, now it's time to check out these curls. Look at how bouncy they are. Yes, mama. Yes. Them curls looking nice and scrumptious. Make it bounce, make it bounce. Now I'm combing out the curls and I'm going to cut some layers into the curls. And we're going to see how that turns out. Now we're just going to apply the beauty gloss polish once more so we can get that shine on those roots. And we're gonna go ahead and hot comb. And voila, we're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. I will be making more wigs, and most of my wigs will be this extravagant. So stay tuned, you guys. Thank you so much again. I will see you guys next time.